This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pumpkin pie in plate up step by step. Start by gathering pumpkin, spices, eggs, crust, and a bowl. Measure sugar, salt, and cinnamon precisely and stir filling until smooth. Pour filling into the crust and smooth the top. Use a timer for baking so the center sets evenly and the edges stay golden brown for a perfect slice every time. Combine pumpkin and spices gently so flavors meld without overmixing. Add sugar and eggs one at a time while stirring on low speed. Check seasoning and adjust with a pinch of salt if needed to balance sweetness. Pour the smooth filling into your prepared crust and tap gently to release air bubbles. Aim for an even layer to ensure uniform baking and a creamy, fragrant pumpkin pie that slices cleanly. Slide the filled pie into a preheated oven and bake at 350 degrees F for the recommended time. Check for a slightly jiggly center that firms as it cools, and avoid overbaking, which yields dryness. Once baked, transfer to a cooling rack and let it rest until fully set. Chill if you prefer cold slices, then garnish with whipped cream or a dusting of cinnamon before serving warm or cold for best texture and flavor contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.